So I've actually thought about this because I've been writing a little bit about this. I have some projects in the background you guys are going to know about soon, but I was actually writing about this. So the way I mostly hear a question like this is people ask me, should I go for an Azure certification or for AWS? So two answers. The first answer is that I don't think there's enough companies out there using both of those platforms that there's no advantage to one or the other. Just pick one and go for it, right? I mean, if you have an AWS, you'll find people looking for AWS. If you have an Azure, you'll find people looking for an Azure. There's no advantage. But I would ask you to think about, why do you need any of those? Remember, there's entire companies and industries that do not use the cloud at all. They do on-premise solutions. They have data centers geographically dispersed all around the world. They don't need a cloud. There's plenty of companies and industries like that. So I say that because, and again, maybe coming back to Siva's earlier question about certifications. Well, what if the company you're applying to has 10 data centers around the world? They're not going to give any weight to your certification, right? They're going to look at your certification and say, yeah, that's great, but what I really need is somebody who knows Linux and can work on premise with a command line interface.